My name is Stephanie. I go to Addison Trail.
My name is Cameron. I'm from Glenbard West, and the program I'm currently taking is Welding Technology.
The different opportunities have surprised me with this program. You can really take it to different extents. So far we've used T-joints, butt joints, and corner joints, and when you put them together you can make something totally new.
Some of the different types of welding that will be coming this year are stick welding, TIG welding.
The best part of this class so far was making all the different models and construction units that we've had to do so far. We're given something called the PPEs, which is personal protection equipment, and this consists of a mask, gloves, eye protection equipment.
We have our jackets that are flame retardant to keep us safe from the sparks that fly off.
If you do as instructed for that day and that project, there are no really safety concerns. You just have to play by the rules. OSHA is a 10-hour program that you have to take in order to use these skills outside of the classroom.
The best part of the class to me is honestly the people, the different characters you find in there. You know, people always make you laugh, people always help you on your assignments, people to encourage you.
I would encourage anyone to take this program. It's broad perspective, even for females. No one's discriminated or discouraged or anything.
There's no way you can truly understand how many opportunities there are out there to weld and different jobs there are. So you can do research here and there, but definitely come to TCD, take the class, and figure it out for yourself.